Changing the Wi-Fi password from the router from the phone is very simple. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video before moving on to the explanation. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video. Let us move on to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to this application. After that, click here on the router passwords. If you do not know the password for your router, here are almost all types of routers and their passwords. Mostly, the Wi-Fi password and the name or username of the Wi-Fi are on the back of the router. So, if you do not find it, search here for the name of your router and you will find the password. Now, my friend, click here on the router settings. After that, you will find this page. Mostly, the username is admin and in the password it is admin. Also, mostly, the username is user and in the password it is user. I will choose a username in the username and in the password I will write a user. After that, my friend, click on OK, which here will pop up the page of your router. So, here, in this insomnia list I will find wireless setup. If I click on it once, only the name of the Wi-Fi will appear to me without the ability to change the password, so I have to press and hold it for a while until these two options appear to me. After that, I click on wireless security, and as you can see, my friend, this interface will pop up for us, and here in the password we can change any password we want and write what we want, and at the bottom we will find confirmation of the changes and our password will be changed. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.